In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail password on mobile. This will work regardless if you have an iPhone or an Android. So in the top left, press on these three horizontal lines, and then scroll down and press on Settings. After that, you're going to tap on your email address, and then at the very top it will say Manage Your Account. This is going to open up your Gmail account. You're going to want to select Security and Sign In. After that, scroll down until you see where it says Password. And now we can create our new password. Once you've done that, simply press Change Password. This is going to tell you which devices you're currently signed into, along with a link in your settings where you can individually log out of your devices. So you simply just press Change Password, and then you'll get a confirmation. The password has been changed successfully.